This is Robo. Forget the table soccer you know. Play wherever you are with robots on a folding pitch. Move in all directions and trick your rivals. Score goals however you want. Enjoy the game for as long as 4 hours.
In 2016, Robotical introduced the world to Marty the Robot. Since then, Marty has sold in the thousands across more than 50 countries and helped countless people learn about robotics and programming. Launching Marty the Robot taught us just as much as Marty has taught our wonderful users, and now Robotical is ready to launch Marty version 2. If you've not been introduced, let's change that. Marty is our first educational robot, a walking robot friend to help children learn about programming, robotics and engineering. Marty walks, turns, kicks and dances